Hi guys, good evening. So for today, I'm gonna be teaching you on how you will be able to randomly generate a number from the use of the random function that can be used for games or in any program that you would require to generate random a number. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look on the design. So we have here a text view. This is currently in the relative layout. And you also have a button. So the button will be activated or will activate a code to generate a number, and the number will be displayed in the generated num text view as you could see right here. So this is currently txt1 and this is btn1 for the name of our widgets that we are currently using. So let's go ahead and go and program this. So the first thing that you will be doing is you need to first set the needed libraries for the text view, and also for the text view, and then we will be setting it is equals to find view by id r.id dot txt1, and then we will also be setting the button. So btn1 is equals to find view by rd r.id dot btn1. Okay, so you could actually name this differently. Always remember that if you want to set this as btn activate, that will not be a problem because we are only trying to mimic the same names in the design, but the Java file and the XML file are two different things. Okay, and then we will need to also create the random function. So random, so let's activate the library, and we will call this random as rand is equals to new random. Okay, that is going to be the function of the random. Now we will be generating the random using the button. So let's go ahead and set that function here by typing in btn1 that set on click listener new view on click listener. Okay, equals to new view on click listener. Now what we need to do first is to generate the random number. So to be able to do that, we will get a variable that will get anytime that we use the random function. So int num is equals to activate the rand by doing the next int. Okay, so you could actually use next double if you want, but I think this will not directly work only if we do use a double on the random number, but we will be using only integer. It would really be hard to generate a number from what we will be setting. So next int will be the best case. Okay, so what we need to do is to set that text, the number or the num, into the text view. So we will be putting in txt1 that set text. Now in Java programming, we could actually do something like this one, plus and then num. There we go. So why do we do this? So because in Java, some other programming languages like Visual Studio, you will need to identify first if the what is the data type of the variable so that you could properly use the right operator on setting it to be connected on the text. But for this one, you could actually use plus and this will actually work. But in some cases, you could also do it like this. So what you need to do is you will be typing in string that value of and set that number. Okay, so we are just telling the program that we are trying to display in a string format the value of the variable, which is the num. So let's go ahead and take a look if this program will work. So this is the very simple design. Let's play. Click on play. And then let's wait for the activation of the program. So if I click this, I will be generating different types of number. Okay, wait, I think I forgot something. Let's stop. I need to set the value of the number. I'll just limit it to 5. There we go. So the possible numbers here are going to be, it's either 0 to 4. So 5 numbers, but it's gonna be ranging from 0 to 4. So if we want to generate it from 0 to 5 or 1 to 5, you need to add some code, but it's all usually starts with 0. So let's go ahead and play. Generate the number, and as you can see, if I'm clicking the button, it generates random numbers from 0 to 4. So you could actually use this in terms of providing different types of programs in different situations. So this is going to be very useful. I think that would be all. Thank you very much and have a nice day.